All right, Vaser repair at Doctor's Toy Store. We repair the old Vasers, any Vaser. This is Dr. Martinez from Argentina. He just came and we fixed his Vaser, and we tested on this chicken here to make sure it worked good. What city are you from, Dr. Martinez?
Cordoba.
Cordoba. He's a very famous plastic surgeon from Cordoba, Argentina. And what do you specialize in? Your specialty?
Plastic surgery.
Plastic surgery. He does a lot of liposuction. He likes his Vaser he got from us. And how long have you had the Vaser?
15 years.
15 years.
I use
Hasn't had any problems, and he's a great customer. He's flying back to Cordoba, Argentina. So if you're in Argentina, or if you have patients down that way, they can fly in to Cordoba, do the surgery, and then stay at one of his places overnight. He's very famous, and he's at the Doctor's Toy Store getting his Vaser repaired. He's flying back. Have a good flight back to Argentina, and thanks for the business.
Thank you, Rob.